This is George Sandmann with Core Value Advisor Software, and today we're going to talk about growth drive and the three dimensions of business growth. It's important that CEOs understand why they're going to hire us as consultants. And what do we know about the market? Well, we know that 75% of CEOs out there are looking for strategic growth consulting services. We know this from having analyzed over 40,000 companies using the Core Value software. But CEOs are confused about how to reach their goals. And your goal is to help position yourself as someone who can provide clarity around the bottlenecks to growth, the bottlenecks to enterprise value, and to help guide the CEO to reach their intended goal. And the way you'll do this is by implementing the growth drive action cycle. In the action cycle, analyze the client using the Core Value software. You'll take the results of that analysis and prioritize it in line with the CEO's goal using the three dimensions of business growth, and then execute month by month, putting together the prioritized driver objectives as sprints, moving the client forward. The methodology is built around the three dimensions of business growth. That's predictable profits and cash flow, predictable growth, and predictable equity value. Now, Core Value software is patented and can help you understand the drivers of value inside a business. But what's missing from the Core Value methodology is a growth methodology. You want to help your client reach aspirational revenues, profits, and equity value. You need to focus on the other 83% of CEOs. That 83% of CEOs who are looking to do something other than prepare their company for sale. That's where Growth Drive comes in. Growth Drive is a methodology for creating predictable profits, growth, and equity value. Now, to win and execute engagements, you'll analyze a client using Core Value and create total clarity about what the client needs to get the success they want. And you'll position yourself as the guide to reaching those goals. With that analysis, you'll prioritize and create a strategic project plan using the Growth Drive methodology and execute that plan in a long-term engagement. Now, the training and coaching included with Core Value software includes the Growth Drive methodology. It is also available to you on a per drink basis. The three dimensions of business growth have at their foundation predictable profits and cash flow. That's a launch pad for growth. It creates a business that's easier to run, that has the cash that's needed to fund growth, and is able to increase the equity value of the business up to their potential value with today's EBITDA. You can leverage that predictable profits and cash flow to create growth or to help take the company to market successfully. By applying the three dimensions of business growth, we can move a company that has EBITDA of $1.2 million, for example, and might earn 2 times earnings at the deal table, so it has a value of $2.4 million a day, to a business that has grown its EBITDA to $3 million, but has increased its multiple to 6 times earnings, to the top end of the range of multiples, and exponentially increased shareholder value from $2.4 million to $18 million. That is what happens to disciplined companies. This is the secret that private equity firms bring to the market every day. Now, John Doerr in Measure What Matters defines OKRs, objectives and key results. And this is a great way to start looking at a client's business. We need to define objectives and also define the key results that need to be in place to help the client reach that objective. And OKRs are inside the Core Value Advisor software. There are 18 growth and equity value drivers, under which are a series of driver objectives. Now, those driver objectives are reached when we achieve key results. And those key results are defined inside the software, so you can easily lift them and put them into your strategic plan for your client. Core Value also has KPIs. These are the numbers we're going to use, whether they're dollar signs or pure measurement, to help move our customer forward, move our client forward, and help them achieve their goals. There's a lot more to this. And if you'd like to learn more, if you think this would be valuable for your practice, please go to corevalueforadvisors.com, call us. We'd be glad to help. Thank you. We're looking forward to hearing from you.